Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 21st of March. All eyes on the Fed today. Fed's FOMC is set to have its interest rate decision today at 1800 GMT and is widely expected to hike rates by 25 basis points, reaching the plus 1.75%. Fed funds futures currently imply a 100% probability of the bank hiking rates by 25 basis points. Market focus is expected to shift to the dot plot, the accompanying statement, and the following press conference. It could prove difficult for the bank to signal a 4 hike rate path for 2018 through the dot plot. However, it may not be able to avoid a more optimistic tone in general. Should there be an upgrade of the economic outlook or a hawkish tone in the statement and/or the press conference, the US dollar could strengthen. Please be advised that high volatility is expected not only upon the announcement of the decision, but during the press conference as well. EURUSD, as analyzed, traded in a sideways manner yesterday with some bearish tones approaching the 1.2230 support level. We see the case for the pair to trade in a bearish mood, as the US dollar could strengthen by the FOMC interest rate decision. Should the bears be in charge, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2230 support level and aim for the 1.21 support barrier. Should the bulls take the reins, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2355 resistance line. Royal Bank of New Zealand is expected to remain on hold. Also, Royal Bank of New Zealand is to announce its cash rate decision later today at 2000 GMT and is expected to remain on hold at plus 1.75%. New Zealand overnight index swaps imply a probability of 99% for the bank to remain on hold. Market focus is expected to shift to the accompanying statement. We see the case for the overall message to be well balanced. However, it could be difficult for the bank to avoid mentioning the improved GDP growth rate and, on the other hand, the low inflation rate. Should the accompanying statement have a more dovish tone, we could see the Kiwi weakening. New Zealand USD traded in a rather sideways manner for the past few days. However, it broke the 0.7180 support level, now turned to resistance. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner. However, should the US dollar strengthen as a result of the FOMC interest rate decision, we could see it taking a bearish turn. Should the pair find buying interest along its path, we could see it breaking the 0.7180 resistance level again and even breaching the 0.7250 resistance hurdle. Should it come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 0.7110 support level and aim for the 0.7035 support zone. In today's other economic highlights, in the European session, we get the UK's employment data for January, while in the North American session, we get the US current account deficit for the fourth quarter, the US existing home sales for February, and the crude oil inventories for the current week. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.